Hello, my name is Praemai and I'm from Stonehurst, Penang and 11 turning 12 this year. And by the way, I'm from Thailand. And yeah, that's basically a simple introduction of me. Today I'll be showing you my Code with AI project. So basically, this is cursor.ai. And as you can see, there's many different codes in here, and this app helps me code them. So this is not entirely AI. Even though it's made of AI can be useful for many things as well, if we're excluding the bad things. And this app helps me correct the errors and stuff. So basically, the background canvas used to be black, and I asked it to change it to antique white or white, and it gave me an answer, and it helped me change the background to antique white or just white. So now I'll showcase my project. This is my project, Shapeshooter. Shapeshooter is basically a game where shapes fly around and you have to just shoot the shapes, and I'll demonstrate that later. So a pentagon is 5 points, a circle is 1 point, a square is 2 points, square minus 2, octagon minus 5, triangle plus 3, but it's rare, miss 5 points. So let me click to start. And I'll just do only 20 seconds. So, So yeah, that's basically it. But then there's a unique feature, which is the creator menu. When you click on this menu, you need to enter the creator code. So let me just enter my code real quick. And over here, you can change all the settings of the shapes / the game. So now I changed the square chance to 0, circle chance to 0 as well, pentagon chance 0, octagon chance 0 as well. 0 as well, and let me change the triangle chance to 1. I don't know what that number is but at least 100%. And now we can change the points of the triangle. So I'll just change it to this number. Then we go back, then click to start. I'll only do 10 seconds per usual. And just start clicking, and yeah, that's basically it. Anyways, thank you for watching this, and I hope you like my project. And anyways, just